Letter C. Sing with me. Letter C. Sing with me. Oh, there are 3 mountains. I wonder which one letter C should climb. I think letter C needs to climb the letter C mountain. Kids, can you show letter C the mountain with the letter C on? Which one is letter C?
That one!
Great job, kids! You helped letter C to find the letter C mountain. Oh my! The letter C mountain is the biggest mountain of all. Oh, poor letter C. Climbing is hard work. Kids, let's help letter C climb by saying k. K, 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 k. Wow! Look at letter C climb.